guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to Alright, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video here. Right now I'm going to be doing a complete rundown of my 2008 Nissan 350Z. I'm going to show you guys everything that's done to it. We've done it in a prior video, but you know, I changed my car up a little bit, so I'm going to show that now and kind of just give another complete rundown now. So starting off here with the color, I have a 3M Gloss Plum Explosion. I really like the color. Pops. It's got nice little pink pearls when the sun hits it. I like it a lot. And then we're going to bring it on over here to my hood. I'm rocking a VIS Racing. I forget the style. I forget what it's called exactly. I think it's, no, this is maybe the Terminator. I don't know. Yeah, it's Terminator, I think. So VIS, carbon fiber. Got that from some guy across Michigan. Got a steal on it, even though it looks like, okay. We're going to bring it right here. Got these eyelids off of eBay. Like 60 bucks or something like that, carbon fiber, real Carson's fibers. All right, and then we're gonna bring it up here. I got a Fat Boy intercooler with some Z1 pipes, and then back here it goes to an RZG rear mount turbo kit. Right here, got a Tial Q blow off valve. I think that's not how you pronounce it. I don't know exactly how to pronounce it, but that's what I have. All right, we're gonna bring it on over here. TSW Thruxton wheels. Yeah, I know I run reps. I'm a little. I know. Just wait for the next rear wheel. Just wait. Okay. I painted those some white that I got at like AutoZone. I think it looks pretty nice. Looks pretty good, you know. And then we're gonna bring it over here. My boy Brendan hooked it up with the backslash sticker. I'm gonna leave a link in the bio to that because I think everybody just needs to cop one of those, you know. And then we got these stock mirrors, you know. Okay. No. Then we're gonna bring it on over here. I got the Vicres side skirts. I think they look really well and make the car flow a little bit better, especially once the front bumper's on. And then we're gonna bring it even farther back to my Street Arrow rear diffuser. I really like the look of that. It makes the car look amazing, in my opinion. The whole rear end gives it a little, you know, just look at it and you'll know. Okay. And then right here we got the KBD duck lip. Got that off of KBD, obviously. Got the panty dropper sticker that came with the car. That was the only cool sticker that Seth left us. I'm shouting you out, Seth. Alright guys, bringing it over here. Got the stubby fake carbon fiber from AutoZone antenna, you know. Back over here, this kid, first day I met him, gave me this Southeast sticker. I like it. Looks good on my side skirt, okay? Trevor gave me this XXX sticker. We're doing complete rundown down to the stickers right now, right? And then you got my Trippy Z33 sticker, you know, looks kind of messed up, just like the rest of the car. All right, bringing it right here, we got this carbon fiber, okay? This carbon fiber, fake as well, okay? Let's bring it around. What else are we missing? Trevor gave me this. Shout out 2 videos ago. Put that on there, you know, put that on there. Then we're gonna bring it back to the good stuff, okay? In the back, I have a 68, 67 comp turbo. Oilless, you know, got to fill that bad boy up with grease. It's like $280 every time I got to fill it up with grease. But I'm going to show you that right now. There we go. And then my buddy Kyle, my boy, gave me this Hoonigan license plate cover thing, whatever those are supposed to be called. I'm also tuned by BTW Tuning. If you're out of Michigan, I definitely hit him up if you have a 350Z. What else is it? Supras, Scions. He tunes a lot of stuff. So just hit him up. GTRs, obviously. A lot of Nissan, a lot of Infiniti. Go hit him up. I definitely get tuned by him if you have any of those cars. He's really hooked me up with a lot of stuff. All right, bringing on into the interior, I have this stupid ass, whack ass automatic transmission. I bought I don't know what year, I really don't. It's a 370Z transmission. I also have a JWT clutch and flywheel to put on there. It's got a slave cylinder delete. I'm gonna throw that on this car and then push Mo Powell. Shout out Donut Media, okay? And then we're also gonna bring it right here. Got the NRG quick release. This thing's looking nice. Goes with the vibe of the car. Also does the ding. You heard it. You heard it. All right. And honestly, I think that's about it. Except for this dope Street Arrow sticker that Jay just decided to mess up, okay? Bring it over. Come here. Come here, guys. Come on.
I want to see that.
Jay just decided to mess it up, okay?
Wow, bro.
Also, just wait for this one, boys and girls. Check the tint out. Come on. We got this 5% tint. Super expensive. Super expensive.
It's like mine.
It's mirror black tint, 5%. AutoZone special. Put it on myself, you know. Alright, and for those of you wondering, we're gonna bring it back up to the front right here. I have Spec D headlights. I think those ran about like 300 or something like that. Really like them. That is actually gonna do it for the whole entire car. So if you guys can go down below, please like, comment, and subscribe. Also, we're gonna leave a link to Brendan's website so that you can cop some backslash merch because it's looking pretty sweet. And also links to our TikTok, other socials, Instagram, you know. Oh, actually, I forgot one thing. Check me out. Got these big spacers right here, all right? And I painted those brake calipers, painted those boys purple, and I think they look pretty sweet. All right, guys, so it is another day. I do have my bang here, obviously, you know. Gotta put everybody hip. But basically, I forgot to mention a few things that are done to this car. And I'm going to go do that right now. I'm going to fit that somewhere in here. But in the meantime, I'm going to get you guys a quick little turbo spool. So let's see if we can hear that over the camera. Would be pretty sweet. Watch out. There's a huge bump over here. Well, hopefully we can get the turbo spool on camera. Over this loud-ass exhaust that I'm actually going to explain about. Let's see. Yeah, it sounds insane. Alright guys, so I'm going to try this again because I don't really know if you guys can hear it last time. Just because our exhaust is really loud. So I'm going to try again really quick and hopefully you guys can hear it. Oh my god, I can't get enough of that. Turbo sounds insane. A little bit of boost lag right there, but I mean it's not pushing like relatively any power. Let's try again. Yeah, that sounds insane. But I'm driving over to a little bit more of a quiet place just so that we can get some more quietness than my house because it is way too loud. So I'll explain now. Alright, so for starters, I remember I was talking about this little automatic transmission. I completely forgot to tell you guys, I do have a JWT clutch and a lightweight flywheel to go with that. That will be on that 370Z transmission. And then I'm going to come over here, I'm going to pop the hood. And I'm going to show you guys something very quickly. So I did explain, I do have that intercooler under the hood. So obviously, looks pretty stock. Got the Z1 pipes that come down. I mean, like I said, it looks stock under here. Then it goes back to a Burke Racing test pipes that I forgot to mention. And then I also do have Megan Racing headers from those test pipes. And then it goes down to a straight pipe in the back. And it sounds pretty mean at idle. Also, I don't know if I mentioned about this thing here, is the new transmission has a CSC elimination kit, which is a slave cylinder elimination. Technically, it's we're moving the slave cylinder to the outside. It's on the outside. I've said that in a prior video, so if you want to go take a look back at that, it was the video about the reason my Z is not pushing boost. So definitely go take a look at that. But thank you so much for watching. Like I said, please like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next video.
Big shot, everybody act like they some big talk. Let me show you how you could get picked up. Bad bitch in the back with no ring on. Who is here once I get off, get